4-centred arch. Now the span is 990 and the rise is 360 and the depth of the face is 230. So step 1 is find the centre of the page. So step 1, scroll a line, centre of the page 20.5, find our span. So the span is 990, so A is going to be 495. So we go scale 1 to 10, 495 is A, B is 990. So we have A and B. So we now bisect our line at C. So we open our over halfway, scribe both. Draw your lines a little bit longer on this one because we'll need the length now. Okay. Then it says bisect our lines A to C to make D and C to B to make E. So again, over halfway, we scribe our lines. There's going to be D and this is going to be E. So that is E, and now we've got D. D. And it says, using B as centre, open your compass up to D and scribe an arc below the line at E. So using B centre to D, scribe an arc below. That's centre line 2 actually. And then we go A to E, scribe along down the bottom. And that's centre line 1 and centre line 2. Then we draw our diagonals from centre line 2 up through D. We draw a diagonal and then we do it from centre line 1 up through E. E. Now we're on step 8, measure up from C, our rise at 360. So 1 to 10, 360, and that is F, and that's our rise. Using centre point 2, open our compass up to F and we scribe our line down to our centre line 2. And then we reverse it by centre line 1 up to F and go down to centre line 1. So centre line 2 up to F and scribe a line. And then centre line 1 to F. Hang on, that one's... Okay. Then using our compass point D to A, so we have our point D to A, we scribe a line up, and then we have E to B, we scribe a line up. Now I'm noticing, I just want to see if this is 360. I'm a bit short. So you can see my lines don't marry up to my B lines, and that's because this is not exactly 360. So I'm going to open it up to here. Where is my point? Up to there, and just scribe my line up. That's it. That's exactly how I want it. Oh, that's this. Okay. So these ones here aren't exact here. And that's what you do if you make your mistakes with the measurements. So you just remark it. But never leave it bad. Never leave it so it's not lined up, because then your arch is definitely not going to be lined up. Okay. Now, we've got our depth of 230. So what we'll do again is that on either side here, we'll go 230 at 1 to 10. And same as on the other on B, we'll go 230. And same with the centre here at F, I just go 230. But I don't think it's that necessary, because once we put our line here from 2, we can, and this one's come up, so I'll show you. If we go D, put our line on D, onto our 230 mark that we've just created, scribe up, do the other side too, from E to B. Now, what we'll do is from centre line 2, where we've always had our mark, we scribe, open it up to our mark that we've just finished, and then bring it up to our centre line, and then reverse it when we have our, see, centre line 1, and then up. That's how we create a 4-centred arch.